It's absolutely dumping snow outside, but I had plans to take y'all with me through my leg day, like the whole leg day today. So hopefully we can get to the gym, but also I've been dealing with a little bit of a back injury, so I'm just hoping that I'll actually be able to squat once I get in there, because I'm not so sure on how I'm feeling. It still hurts if I move it in certain ways, but I gotta see how it feels once I actually get under the bar. But if we can't squat, we're just gonna go through a whole lot of accessories, stuff we can do. Alright, it's a little hard to see, but it's fucking going ham out there. There's a ton of snow. Thankfully, we've been able to make it to the gym. It wasn't too bad. It's just starting to stick to the road, so hopefully we'll be able to leave the gym. But we made it. Alright, we successfully warmed up, but yeah, the back still isn't there. It still feels rough, especially on the unrack, taking it out of the rack. It's like any rotation, so like one step and the other step feels pretty rough. So we're just gonna leave it at 495 and do some doubles, and if I do end up feeling better, I'll move it up. Squats didn't go quite as planned, but we were able to do 495 with some doubles, some pause doubles, which is not bad. I can't complain. It's not where I want to be, but I'll take it with the way I'm feeling. So now we're just gonna go ahead and move on to some accessories. I'm gonna do leg press just to take my back out of the motion. Another good alternative you could use is like belt squats, if your gym has it. It's kind of a rare machine, but belt squats are good if you want to take your back out of the movement. Alrighty, so I completely forgot there was holiday hours today because it is New Year's Eve. But we still got something in. Unfortunately, we didn't do as much as we wanted. It's still a win for my back, because last week I tried to squat and I wasn't able to do hardly anything. Like, I loaded up 365 pounds and it felt like complete garbage. So hitting 495 today was definitely a lot better. I got set up on the leg press and then everybody had to get out of the gym, so wasn't really able to do that. Poor planning on my part, but we will be better next time. Alright, we made it through the blizzard. Getting back, the roads were really bad, but hopefully you guys had a better plan for New Year's than I did, because I completely forgot. But it was really cool to see how many people were still at the gym despite the blizzard that was going on outside. It was pretty cool. The whole parking lot was full. So, a little proud gym moment. But right now I'm about to get my ticket for Junior Nationals in June. So that'll be cool. It's becoming official. But I'm excited for that. And then I'm also excited because today I just did a few squats, but they felt really solid. And my pain in my back is slowly going away. So I think it'll be good. I don't know if I'll be good to deadlift this week, but we'll just take it easy and we'll see. But thank you guys for watching.